welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is heorte. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is heorte. In English, it means feast or festival. Fiesta, di ba? Ginagamit natin yan. Fiesta, kapistahan. In the Bible, it refers to the great Jewish feasts, and you find a lot of feasts here in the Gospel of John. In John chapter 7, verse 2, we read, "The Feast of Tabernacles was near. En de engus, he heorte, ton judayon, he skenopegia." And these feasts were moments of remembering God's saving acts and gathering the community in joy and thanksgiving. Now, from this word comes heortology. Maybe you don't hear it so much, but there's such a word. It's the study of feasts. But for us Christians, it's not just about studying them. It's about living them. Our liturgical feasts like Easter and Christmas, they're not mere commemorations of the past. They make present God's saving work here and now. 1 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 8, Paul writes, "Let us celebrate the feast with the unleavened bread of sincerity and truth." What is the meaning of this in our life? It's a call for us to respond with conviction and action. And every feast becomes a call to renewal, to live as disciples filled with joy, truth, and love. How do we live this word today in our discipleship? Do our celebrations lead us closer to Christ? Or are they just empty rituals? Friends, our liturgical feasts remind us of God's saving action in history. And they invite us to make that saving love visible in our daily lives. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.